Yesterday, the company behind Claude released the smartest AI ever made available into the public, and it's called Claude Fable 5. And right now you can use it for free, but only until June 22nd. And in this video, I'll explain to you what Fable 5 actually is in plain English with no tech jargon, what it can actually do for you, and what it means for you if you're trying to land a job, create content with it, or just build business with Claude Fable 5. And if you appreciate me researching this AI tools, if it's worth it for you, then leave me a like. That would tell me that this video did help someone. So what is Claude Fable 5? Just a quick background, Claude is an AI chatbot like ChatGPT. It's made by a company called Anthropic, and Claude comes in different models. Think of it like phones. It has different models. And Haiku is like the budget phone, but it's fast and cheap. Sonnet is the mid-range phone. It's great for everyday work, while Apos is the flagship. It's the premium one. For years, Apos was the top, nothing above it, until now. Fable 5 is part of a brand new tier called Mythos class. It sits above the flagship. It's like walking up and finding out there's a new phone that's better than the most expensive model. Anthropic says Fable 5 is the state of the art on nearly every test of AI ability. Think of like coding, research, reading documents, and understanding images. Here's the key line. The longer and harder the task, the bigger the lead of Fable 5 is. Now, what can it actually do for you? Okay, claims are easy. Here's what it actually did. So the first one is the payment company called Stripe. They tested it on a massive code base, like 50 million lines of code. And Fable 5 finished that migration in just one day. It takes like a full team of human engineers. That same job would take more than 2 months to finish. But Fable 5 just finished that in one day. This one's fun. They let Fable 5 play Pokemon Fire Red. Fable 5 beat the entire game using only its eyes. Just raw screenshots with no help. And why does that matter? Because it means that AI can look at the screen and figure things out on its own, like a person would. In example number 3, this is the best one. It says that in drug research, scientists use this model and speed up parts of designing new medicine by around 10 times. So this isn't just a chatbot that answers any of your questions. It works on long, complicated tasks by itself. Now, here's something interesting. There are actually 2 versions of this AI. It has the same brain, but different rules. Claude Mythos 5 is the full power version, but it's like locked. Only approved groups can use it, like cybersecurity defenders working with the US government. And Claude Fable 5 is the version for everyone. It has the same intelligence but with safety guards. Because an AI this smart could be dangerous in the wrong hands, like hacking, dangerous chemistry. So when you ask Fable 5 about those risky topics, a safe system steps in the slightly older model answers you instead. So Anthropic says that this happens in less than 5% of conversation. So for normal use like writing, research, work tasks, you get the full power of Fable 5. And honestly, I think that's fair. Power with seatbelts. Now real quick, if you're finding this helpful, leave a like. It tells YouTube to show this video to more people so that we can help more. Now how to try this Fable 5. Here's the part that you need to know. Fable 5 is included on Claude's paid plans like Pro, Max, and Team at no extra cost, but only until June 22nd. Because after June 22nd, it gets removed from those plans and using it will need extra usage credits. They plan to bring it back as a standard later, but there's no promise date yet. So if you have a Claude subscription right now, or you've been thinking about trying one, this 2-week window is the time. That's the smartest AI in the world while it's included for free. So go to claude.com, open the model selector, and pick Fable 5. Now, what does this mean for you? Now, real talk, because I know what you're thinking. If AI can do the work of a whole team in one day, then what happens to me? And my honest take, as someone who works online every single day, AI like Fable 5 doesn't replace the person who knows how to use it. It replaces the person who refuses to learn it. Companies still need humans, but they'll choose the worker who can direct AI to drop the emails, do the research, and build the report, and then add human judgment on top of it. That person finishes in 1 hour what used to take 8 hours to finish. And that person becomes worth more, not less. So don't watch this news with fear. Watch it like an opportunity. The people who learn these tools first are the ones who get ahead. Your move this week is simple. Open Claude, try Fable 5 while it's free, give it one real task from your work or your job hunt, and just start. Now before you go, I want to ask you something. What's the one thing about AI you wish someone would explain to you as simple as possible? Or the one task you wish AI could do for you? Comment down below and I'll read them, and I'll try to help you as much as I can. I will answer every comment you have on the comment section. And if this helped you understand Fable 5, tap that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I'll see you on the next one.